Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, save and close every workbook because Excel caches recent files. Once done, open Excel and navigate to File, then Options. This is where the built-in history controls live. Make sure you check Save and Trust Center settings. They determine whether recent items persist. If you intend to clear deeper traces, note that you need administrator rights for registry edits, so back up the registry first. This prevents accidental loss and lets you revert if something goes wrong. Now, remove the visible history. Set the recent documents count to 0 and apply. This clears the list immediately. Next, open File, Open, Recent, and choose Clear Unpinned Workbooks. That nukes remaining entries. If files were shared or synced, clear the Office document cache and remove paths from trusted locations so Excel stops auto-repopulating history. These steps handle both the UI lists and the behind-the-scenes caches that would otherwise restore recent items later. Finally, for the only complete removal, you must edit the registry. Export a backup, then delete Excel MRU entries under the Office version key, for example 16.0 for Office 2016. Once done, restart Excel and Windows to ensure caches clear. Verify the recent list is empty and that new files no longer reappear. If anything goes wrong, restore the registry backup first, then run Office repair. These steps recover corrupted settings without losing user data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.